All right, this one's going to be a quick pandemic lesson since you don't get it from the news or anywhere else. And it's answering the question: how did the 1918 flu pandemic end? Even though the vaccines weren't that effective, it was still mutating. And the answer is mutations. So the trend in pandemics and with viruses is that they tend to become less pathogenic or and virulent over time. Why is that? A virus that kills its host quickly isn't considered fit in biology. As if you want ducks to live, you don't want to kill them all and quickly. And I just imagine the coronavirus is like, you hear about the new novel coronavirus? Yeah, what a rookie. Yeah, he's killing all his host off. That guy won't be around. And the so when there are a lot of mutations, just like there was in 1918 flu pandemic, they beat the deadly mutation out, and that literally that strand was only left in a frozen lung, somewhere in Alaska or Antarctica. But a virus that kills its host that fast is not considered fit. So the question is like, for when I had to make a declaration that I'm not questioning COVID science authority, and I think I wrote back that the strategies aren't well established. You know, um, Social distancing works to what? It works to lower case numbers, can be true, but a very valid question is that, is it in our interest to prevent mutations from happening, since we see that mutations, that's like the general trend of especially pandi-epidemics. One virus strain makes a rookie mistake, and then the other ones fill the niche because the virus needs to survive its host. It needs its host to survive. It's not in its interest not to. And so if we were in a world not with Delta and Omicron, but with like 12 coronavirus variants coming out, that would actually be a good sign, because we know the contagious non-lethal ones are going to beat out the one that is lethal, and that's the trend we've seen. So, and that's something a strategy that I've been questioning, because the little science we knew about pandemics did say, well, you slow the spread, but might prolong the pandemic over time while doing it. So it's not like a clear thing. And I used to like Dr. Fauci, but I'm thinking, what does this guy like? He doesn't seem like he knows any. I feel like I know more about the complex, what is a complex science of pandemics. What is he explaining to the American people? When are we having these type of conversations about what of these strategies are working? Because the vaccine is the end all give all. That didn't really seem to work out. Or maybe it did, but because they just keep treating every coronavirus like it was the rookie novel coronavirus, that's what's happening. But I'm gonna still keep making videos, hope to inform the public, and maybe our idiot doctors will start actually doing their jobs.